let's try the Refy Plum Lip Collection together. I've never tried Refy products. I'm very interested in trying their blur liner, which is supposed to be a lip liner that you don't have to like smudge out because it's supposed to be blurring on its own. So I'm very interested to try it. So this is the blur liner. I'm going to assume that they are both full sizes in this collection, but I'm not sure. So I'm gonna take a look and see if that is true. Oh, there you go. It's here. All right, so this is the lip gloss. Packaging looks cute. I don't think you can get these colors exactly, these colors of plum separately, but obviously you can get like the lip gloss and the lip liner separately in other colors. So we're gonna go ahead with the lip liner first. Packaging feels very luxurious, actually. It's plum. Feels very nice. I do like the packaging. I'm gonna just bring it up a little bit, and as you can see, it's round. Line my lips. Okay. I do see what they, okay. I do see what they mean with blurring. Like, I'd say that's like pretty good. Let's see the bottom lip. Okay. Now I feel like it could be more blurring, but I'm gonna hold off on smudging it out, and I'm just gonna put the lip gloss on now. I do like the color, but it feels like it might just be a little too much for me personally. I mean, I knew it was plum, so that's, you know, that's my bad. My lips are very chapped, so I'm so sorry. But let's try the lip gloss just right on, like directly on top of it, and let's see how it looks. Very cute, very cute. I do like the lip gloss. And now, okay. Oh wow, okay. The applicator, guys. Look. That's very neat. Like I said, I've never tried Refy. I keep saying Refy. I'm so sorry. Refy. I've never tried Refy. The color, it's like a dark plum. Oh, okay. Okay. Wow, okay. Wow. First of all, the applicator feels cold in like the best way. I absolutely love it. I love it. I can see myself buying more Refy lip glosses because it feels very luxurious too. Like like the applicator and the packaging itself feels very, very nice, and honestly it looks very chic. The lip combo, that's pretty. It's gorgeous. Like you're seeing it on camera, like in person it looks even better. That's gorgeous. Now I have very small lips, and that's another problem. That's a me problem. But I don't really like to carry as much color on my lips because they're so small. But I love this color, and maybe I can try overlining the lips. I'm gonna try that. Maybe I'm gonna try overlining them a little bit now that I have the lip gloss on. Okay. I can work with that. I see now, like I overline them just slightly. I do like this. I think the lip liner is actually really good. Like I love the lip liner, and I would actually be very interested in trying more colors. This might not be my everyday color, more like a winter color, but I do like it. And then the lip gloss, like I said, the application and the applicator itself felt very luxurious. I love the packaging. Like it's giving very chic. Simple and plain, but it literally gets the job done. It doesn't have to be so out there. Luxuriously chic alternative is what I'm feeling with the packaging. So I really do like it, and I think it looks really nice. I do like it. Formula, it's not sticky. The blurring lip liner did blur, and all I really had to do was like smack my lips together in order for like the harsh line to disappear. but you still need a little bit of a line with a lip liner, I feel, and I feel like it hits the best of both worlds, where it's like some lip liner line, but also blurring it without blurring it out too much. So I really do like it, and I feel like this is a great holiday lip, and these are my own thoughts. I bought this with my own money. So I really do recommend this. If you want to try Refy and you haven't had their lip glosses or lip liners, I'd say give it a shot if you want something like this for the holidays over the winter. If you like how they feel, if you like the formulas, I'd buy more colors personally.